Okay, here is review for the Unit 7 test. We're going to start with the exponential examples. So here we have the growth and decay problems. So remember that this is in the form, we'll write it right here, y equals ab to the x, where a represents your initial amount, and b is your base. That's your multiplier. That's what you're going to multiply your amount by again and again and again. And if your base is greater than 1, then we know that that's going to be growth. If your base is greater than 0 but less than 1, like a half or a third or 0.5, then we know this is going to be decay. Okay? So, in problem number 1, since we're multiplying by 1.5, we know this is going to be 150%. Move your decimal spot 2 places. That turns into a percent. So since it's greater than 1, this is growth. And then 100% of 12 would be 12. So what you do is you take off the first 100%, and that leaves you with 50% as the amount of actual growth, because 100% of 12 is 12, so the extra 50% will actually make it grow. So this is 50% growth. On the second one here, the 2 as a percent would be 200%. So if you have 200 minus 100, that's going to be a 100% increase. So since this is bigger than 1, it's growth. And it's going to be 100% growth. Okay. Or 100% means it's doubling each time. Number 3, 3/4 would be 0.75 as a decimal, so that's smaller than 1. So that means it's going to be decay. And then this as a percent is 75%. So we're actually getting smaller. So if 100% gives you the whole thing and you subtract off 75% from that, that's going to give you 25% decay. Means that you decay 25%. If this was a test and you got a 75%, your grade went down by 25%. Okay. On number 5, this is an example of continuously compounded interest, which uses this formula. The formula will be given to you on the test. So P is the principal. This is the principal. R is the rate. And T is the time. Okay. So this is 400 times e to the power of 0.035, because you have to switch this to a decimal. And then your time on this one is 5 years. So now we have to plug that into the calculator. So this is 400 times e to the power of 0.035 times 5. Hit enter. And that is approximately 476 and 50 cents if you round that correctly. Thank you.